What's up, guys? It's Green Oliver here, back with another video, and today, guys, we're doing a big World Cup pack opening. We've got the boys in the background. I'm going to be opening all these packs, and starting with my lone icon pack. Let's get this thing straight out underway. With my lone icon pack, guys, see what we get. Come on. It's obviously an icon.
Guys, I just got Kyle Walker.
Nice. Kai's just packed Kyle Walker. Brazil. Cam. Wait, is this 98 Pele as well? 98 Pele is alone. Let's go. What a start. 98 Pele for a loan.
Oh my god. No way. No way. No. Hang on. No, please. No.
Josh, you'll be back.
This is my best pack I've ever got.
He's probably got something trash. Right.
Yes! Kasper Schmeichel!
Right.
I'm lying.
Wait, what?
I got Maradona. I only got
Oh,
Maradona.
Kasper Schmeichel.
What?
I got Goldes.
You got an icon, George. Why aren't you going mental?
I didn't get an icon. I
Probably
got
a low
Kasper
one.
Schmeichel.
Oh yeah, Kasper Schmeichel. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right, I'm just opening the single player packs. Mingale, still better than Karius. Another single player
Oh, I
pack.
got nice one, Ronaldinho.
Oh,
it's a billboard. Legend. Icon. Argentina. Left wing. South America. Ronaldinho's got 5-star skills.
Actually, I don't actually care who
Yeah,
I get.
Pele's got 5-star skills. Right, I'm just opening my single player packs.
I opened a 7.5k pack.
Right, single player packs. Let's just get these over and done with. Oh, I got bored! I got bored in the single player pack. Come on.
Yeah, I got
English.
that as well.
Centre back. Who is it? Phil Jones. You know what? He'll actually go into my team, Phil Jones. He'll probably end up in my team. That's actually not
I
bad.
don't care. I'm spending all my coins on. Spending all my coins on packs.
Right.
I don't even care.
Next single player pack. Next single player pack. Not a board.
Oh, this is...
Oh my
It's
god.
all suddenly gone downhill, all my pack luck.
Seaman. We got Seaman. Yeah, I haven't got anything good. I haven't got anything good so far. My best pack so far is Phil
no, I'm
Jones.
actually just going to keep on skipping it because I keep on getting...
Come on, give me something better than Phil Jones.
Okazaki, though! Yay!
Right, so we're all opening our packs. And my friend, by the way... Jesus Christ, calm down. Jesus Christ.
Girl, that was very...
That was way too overreacting. I thought you got an icon by sound
Who
of
did
it.
you get?
He got Griezmann. Okay, so he got Griezmann. My pack's been shocking.
Wow. That's not overreacted. That's amazing.
Well, wait, he's like 80.
Oh my god,
He's like
I
80.
got Mertens!
That's not bad.
He's 89.
I got another board.
Dries Mertens!
I got another board. Single player packs. Uruguay.
Yeah, up front, you
Centre
guys
back.
got Giroud
Is that Jimenez? Oh no, it's Cotes. He's actually alright. Won't get my team though. No.
Kai,
You can get 4 players by adding a player to your squad.
I've got Dries Mertens.
Final single player pack. We've got 2 boards so far.
It's quite good actually.
Go. Another board. Let's go. Another board.
Inouye.
Come on. France, centre back. Koscielny. Umtiti, 85. That's sick. In a single player pack, that is awesome. He will go straight into my team. Come on. Single player pack, 85 rated centre back. Let's go. Right, okay.
This is it. The final.
Right, World Cup standard packs.
Anyone.
Right, World Cup standard packs. Let's go. Not a board. Okay.
Alexander Lacazette.
Wait, he's in the game?
Yeah.
Oh, nil. Right, okay. We just got Digne there. Yeah, alright. We got
I've
TT.
got Mertens. I'm going to open
We
up
got-
2 more 7.5.
We got Victor Moses as well. I didn't know Lacazette was in the game. Okay, I want Lacazette then. Okay, right, another stand pack. Come on. Give me something good. I want to match his Kai's Griezmann. There we go, board. We got board, come on. 4th board.
Benatia.
Argentina, centre back. You can't really be anything good, can it? Rojo. Rojo's average. It's another board, I guess.
What's a good formation that'll work?
Ooh, that Nigerian guy
I'll
looks
try this
decent.
formation.
Final pack.
He's got 4-star skills. Yeah, he does. That's not bad. So Kai's got Griezmann.
I've got no one.
I'm really... Right, I've got him Titty. Right, premium pack. Let's go. Premium pack, 3 rares. No board. Are you
I've got
serious?
Icardi in my final pack.
Nice. Right, I've got my final 3
I'm going to
packs.
open up the packs so I got an actual Ultimate Team.
Oh
Um,
my god, I'm actually well happy.
Right. Oh yeah, I've got. I'll have 2 packs open on the World Cup on the normal team, don't I? Right.
Alright, let me sort out my team now.
Premium pack. Give me something good, please.
Should I got?
Right, another board. Let's go. Another board. Can it beat Titi? Spain. Goalkeeper.
Elderly player.
Pepe Reina. That's not too bad. He won't get my team though.
Kiro.
He won't get my team. I've already got Patricio. Oh, Aspas, Mata, and Howardes. That is a brilliant pack. That is a really good pack. No, oh, Aspas will definitely get in my team. Aspas will replace Benteke up front. So Aspas will replace Benteke up front. That's decent. Right. 82, 281 plus players pack. 281 plus players pack. This could be decent. It's going to be a board. Come on.
I'm going to play
Spain, left back. Monreal. I got Monreal. There we go. We got Monreal. I'm happy. We got Nacho.
I didn't really get anyone that great. But
And Cotes already there. Right, final pack.
who I got?
I was going to say, I thought you got packs for putting a player in your squad. Now you get
Right.
packs.
FIFA World Cup premium pack. Final World Cup pack I'm opening now. I'm going to open 2 packs on normal Ultimate Team. Please be a board. It is a board. Please be decent. Portugal. Centre mid. Matinho. That's actually decent. 84 rated, but again, probably won't get my team. 84 rated.
I've got Dimitri Payet.
Bertrand might get my team. Premium gold pack.
I've got Cole Walker, but he can't fit in my team because he's got right wing back. Unless if I get a right wing back from right back.
Yeah, Bertrand's left wing back. Right, so now let's go on to normal Ultimate Team, guys. Let's open 2 premium gold packs we've got. Probably not going to get anything, knowing me. I've still got some players selling who could go for some coinage, but they're not selling.
Oh, board.
Titi and Aspas are 2 really decent players, though, so I'm happy with
I'm
that.
opening my packs in the actual Ultimate Team.
Yes,
I won't get anything good though, so.
No, not going to get anything.
I just quick sell.
How are my players not selling? That's what I don't get. Alright, 2 premium gold packs. Probably not going to get anything in these. Let's face it.
Oh, board.
Oh no, I thought it was a ball.
Argentina, CDM.
Guys, my
What
team.
the hell?
My team, bro.
I need a good. Right, last pack.
I'm just gonna look at my club because
I'm gonna sell a load of my players and my.
let me have a look at my.
Oh, I got bored on what the normal Ultimate Team packs. Oh, it's Rulli. Alright. It's Rulli.
Come on,
Did you get any
didn't
money
get
for
a
them?
single I didn't get. A
How much does
single
Rudy
one.
go for? Nothing. Well, that was an alright pack opening, guys. We've got Titi and Aspas, both players will go into my team. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and peace out.